Basically a petrochemical based company, that is petroleum products company based in Haldia in West Bengal. Uh, Eligibility criteria kept by the company was simple, just 75% in 12th and 65% in BTech. The first round that they made was written, and it was purely technical, simple questions, just focused on heat transfer and material science. Students were sorted out according to the marks in the interview. Out of 60 students that appeared for the exam, only 15 to 20 were selected from mechanical for interview. And after that we were taken to the interview. Everything happened in our campus only. In interview, the first question is the simple, tell me something about yourself. But the thing is, most of the candidates slip out in this type of questions. This question is important because this sets up your profile in front of the interviewer. So technical questions were asked, 5 to 6 questions, maximum 10 minutes interview, mainly focusing on engineering drawing and heat transfer. So these two are important topics for this company. It is not so important for preparing the harder subjects for this company. The thing is, this company shortlists the candidates according to your CGPA, so maintaining CGPA is an important point. And apart from that, just keep your basics clear about the basic subjects like drawing and everything else. This company came around first or second week of January. Last total 6 guys were selected. 1 mechanical, 1 chemical, 2 metallurgy and 2 electrical guys were selected. The package is 3.6 lakh for the first year in training and 5.9 LPA after that. There is a 3 years bond. Interview, I was asked simple heat transfer question because they asked me my favorite subject. I said heat transfer, so they asked me from heat transfer questions such as total heat transfer coefficient and convection coefficient, and heat exchanger is an important topic in heat transfer. And they brought a small model of a small cap. Actually, it was a gas cap, and they asked me to draw plan and elevation for that in front of them at that spot, on the spot.